Welcome to this webinar that we have called Shore Power Solutions Today and for the Future. My name is Rune Holmedal and I'm Business Development Manager responsible for Shore Power Solutions in PSW Power and Automation. In the Shore Power segment of our business, we focus on everything from small modular container solutions for low voltage shore power supply, cargo and passenger ships, to large medium voltage solutions for cruise terminals. We are also working with DC charging solutions using the MCS standard with integrated energy storage, also known as BESS, Battery Energy Storage System.
My name is Kjetil Ripe and I'm the Business Development Manager for what we in PSW call energy control. What is energy control, you might ask? Essentially, it is all things control and software that we do in our different segments. If it's stationary energy, mobile energy, aftermarket, or in this case, shore power. I work together with my colleagues to create the future products that solve our customers' existing and future challenges.
Throughout this webinar, we will take a closer look into our portfolio of traditional shore power solutions based on existing IEC standards for low and medium voltage. Additionally, we will also look at how our focus on BESS and DC charging solutions can increase the flexibility and business opportunities for ports and terminals.
In the end, we will wrap up this webinar with a short Q&A where we answer any questions you might have, right here in the chat room.
The operation of auxiliary engines in ships during port stay has always been a significant source of emissions in cities around the world. A shore power system is a system that enables ships to connect to the electrical grid in ports and terminals. A modern shore power system will therefore supply the needed energy to the vessel without any emissions at all. In addition, the crew, passengers and port surroundings will benefit from the significantly reduced noise level from ships. At PSW, we deliver a wide range of products within these segments. Our portfolio includes both container-based solutions as well as skid solutions. We provide everything from small modular container solutions to large medium voltage systems for cruise terminals. We have rental solutions for low voltage containers to shipyards and ports, and we provide cable management systems for both low voltage and medium voltage systems. In addition to these traditional systems, we also provide DC solutions for MCS charging of vessels in combination with BESS. This enables any vessel that follows the MCS standard to charge on our system without additional adaptation between vessel and shoreside charging systems. Typically, charging projects for vessels has until now been bespoke and custom solutions as charging voltages and system topology has not been standardized. Using the MCS standard, we can provide a solution that fits every vessel designed for the MCS standard. We can deliver our products and systems in either a defined product scope or a complete EPC solution, either as a turnkey PSW project or together with local partners.
Together with our hardware, we bring in-house developed and manufactured control systems into the mix, strengthening our product and service offerings. We offer integration from our shore power control to our customers' third-party systems so that their operators, maintenance department, or key stakeholders can monitor their investment. For customers with several PSW shore power systems, our own hosting platform, Asset Hub, offers an intuitive web application that collects all shore power systems in one overview. The user gets key operational data from every connected system and can monitor any warning or alarm if they occur. We also offer added services as, for example, data logging, fast logging, and trending, just to name a few. If you want to learn more about Asset Hub, check out our website or contact me directly for more information.
Some of our important reference projects are the 32 MVA shore power system in the port of Ålesund, the 16 MVA shore power system in the port of Haugesund, the 24 MVA shore power system in the port of Stockholm, and recently the new contract that we signed in the port of Flom for a 16 MVA system. In total, we have delivered approximately 250 megawatt of shore power in total, including also MCS systems. As a mean to cut emissions in European ports and harbors, all container and passenger vessels docking in European 10T harbors will have to connect to shore power from January 1st, 2030. This is one of the many initiatives around the world to reduce emissions from ships in ports and terminals. As a result, there is now many ongoing projects for planning and installation of shore power solution in ports and terminals. Common for these projects is that the tender specification defines the shore power system with the detailed technical needs and power demands for each project. Commonly, there are no demands for batteries and energy storage system in these type of projects.
We see that this transition will demand high investment costs for our customers and with a limited revenue stream. The overall energy transition in all industries are overloading both the transmission and the distribution networks in certain areas. Upgrading or obtaining new grid connection agreements can take years, and we believe that for the future, energy consumers will also be obliged to take part in maintaining our grid.
A cruise port investing in a shore power system has a narrow window of time of operation during the cruise season, especially in the northern countries. The remaining period of the year, the system sits idle without any income. In order to increase the flexibility of a shore power system, we believe that an energy storage system, also known as BESS, should be a natural part of every future shore power system. By implementing a BESS system into a standard shore power system, you will transform your port or terminal into a flexible energy hub. This is what we call shore power to X.
So what are the key benefits of upgrading your shore power? Better utilization and reducing strain on your existing grid connection. You generate new revenue streams all year round from ancillary services and/or local flexible markets where these are available. Taking advantage of fluctuating energy prices and earning revenue through arbitration. Peak shaving consumption spikes and keeping your energy tariffs low. And if you have any size of energy production, like for example solar power, this can easily be integrated into your BESS as well.
Also, by implementing an energy storage solution, you will also get the flexibility of a DC grid where you can easily implement CCS2 and MCS charging system for heavy-duty machines that serve the port industry, including delivery trucks, straddle carriers and terminal tractors, as well as passenger transport and vessels operating in the port. Despite a higher initial investment cost, we believe that most ports and terminals will experience return of investment much sooner as a result of a significantly higher utilization rate for the system.
In such a case, our energy management system can fully utilize the potential of your BESS with multi-service optimization. On a behind-the-meter setup, we integrate to heavy consumers, producers, and we optimize your energy flows for the best economic outcome, gaining revenue from ancillary services and energy markets, and keeping your energy tariffs low through peak shaving.
As we are experiencing a more unstable security situation in the world, there is a natural increased focus on the safety for critical infrastructure. A natural part of the ports should be to also consider a shore power system as a tool for increasing the energy safety for the port. With a BESS system incorporated in a port's shore power system, you will not just be able to provide an energy backup for the port in case of a power failure in the local grid. In an emergency situation, our technology could even facilitate for the vessel in port of operating as a power plant supplying the power to the grid, or vessel to grid, if you like. Our strategy is to build strong partnerships with key suppliers to ensure effective collaboration and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Uptime and reliable solutions are of critical importance for shore power systems. The cruise industry has a limited time window of operation during the cruise season, and uptime is a critical factor. Hence, we have a strong focus on working with suppliers and partners that can provide the necessary quality and support needed for our demanding customers.
With a solid reference list of projects from all our different segments, and with over 100 megawatt hours of batteries installed in energy systems, we bring together synergies to the shore power industry to give our customers added value for their investments in the development of future ports. We have now reached the end of this presentation, and I hope this has opened up new ideas for your next shore power project.
For the rest of this webinar, we will now answer all of the questions that you might have in the chat room. You can also contact us directly if you like, or visit our website for more information. Thank you so much for joining us today.